So the Galaxy Note 10 is going to launch in August, but the device is already making reports all around the internet. We have some information that states the Note 10 will have a buttonless design, then it comes to the camera, and now it's about two different models. It's a well-known fact that Samsung will release a 5G variant of this particular flagship phone, making it the second Samsung phone to support 5G compatibility. Now, Korean publication site The Bell reports that Samsung could release a smaller version of the Note 10 as well. It's totally based on the information provided by Samsung to component industry, and they say, we know that the Galaxy Note 10 will come out on the market in two different models. The first model is the regular Note 10 with 6.7-inch display, and the second model, maybe the Note 10e, should come in at 6.2 inches. The mass production of the final parts is usually started 2 to 3 months before unpacking, so the exact size will be revealed in a couple of months. It's totally understandable why Samsung wants a smaller Note 10, as there's a demand of S10e in market right now. Also, the 6.7-inch display of Note 10 could be too long for some people, and obviously the company don't want to lose their market because of some silly aspect. A smaller Note 10 clearly makes a lot of sense, and that can boost the sales of Note series to a great extent. It's a good step, and I just want to see the configuration that Samsung will offer with this model, as there's a lot of hype for UFS 3.0 storage that should enter production for Galaxy Note as well. If you have some expectations from Note 10, you can even believe this tweet. Ice Universe says that the Galaxy Note 10 will have 100 times optical zoom lens, 192 megapixel camera, an unexpectedly bigger sensor, which is an April Fool's joke by the way, that everyone saw coming except a very popular publication, BGR. They just got it for real and published this article saying some good things about the Note 10 totally based upon this tweet. I can't even imagine 100 times optical zoom on a smartphone for at least some years. They run a website and don't have some knowledge about this technology. It's totally unbelievable, and yeah, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.